In 1927, a Soviet psychologist named Bluma Zeigarnik noticed something interesting in a restaurant. Waiters could remember every detail of orders that hadn't been paid yet. But the moment the bill was settled, those same details seemed to disappear from their memory. This observation sparked a question. Do unfinished tasks stay longer in our minds? To test this idea, Zeigarnik ran a simple experiment. Participants were given a series of small tasks, things like solving puzzles, stringing beads, or simple math problems. But there was a twist. Some tasks were interrupted before the participants could finish them. Others were allowed to be completed. At the end of the experiment, participants were asked to recall the tasks they had worked on. The results were striking. People remembered unfinished tasks about 90% better than the ones they had completed. This phenomenon became known as the Zeigarnik Effect, sometimes called the unfinished task effect. Humans have a natural urge to complete things. When something is left unfinished, it creates a kind of mental tension. Your brain keeps reminding you to go back and finish it. In other words, unfinished tasks create psychological momentum. You see this everywhere. For example, TV shows often end with a cliffhanger, a mystery, an unanswered question, and suddenly you can't wait for the next episode, but there's a catch. Too many unfinished tasks can overwhelm your mind. Instead of motivation, you feel stress, pressure, mental fatigue. But used correctly, this effect can be powerful, even in social situations. Instead of finishing every conversation, leave a thread open. For example, when a discussion gets interesting, you might say, "That's a great point. I actually had a similar experience, but I have to run now. Next time we meet, I'll tell you the story." That small sense of incompletion makes people remember you. The same principle applies to how you present yourself. Don't reveal everything at once. Leave space for curiosity. A little mystery makes people want to come closer. Remember this. Sometimes the most powerful force in human motivation is not completion, it's unfinished business. If you learn to use this effect, whether in work, relationships, or storytelling, you'll stand out far more than you expect.